So if you are struggling creating your titles and tags and you have a bunch of designs you definitely want to get up and listed with Etsy, I want to share with you a very simple way you can actually drag and drop all of your designs into one software, and it will generate for you all of your titles and tags within a few short moments. And this is something great to do if you're trying to list a bunch of products, but you don't want to spend time going one by one and creating titles and tags yourself. So again, in today's video, I'm sharing with you a very easy tool that can do all of this for you. I want to share this all with you coming up next. All right, now titles and tags is very important because Etsy is a search-based platform. That means based upon what you put as a title and tag will determine how people are able to find you in Etsy search. And I want to share with you an easy tool that can solve all of that for you, especially if you're uploading multiple products in one day. All right, so this tool is called Smart SEO, and it is actually a tool I built from the ground up that's within inside my membership that will do all of your Etsy titles and tags within a few short moments. And you can see we have an option if you are doing this for tumbler wraps or for t-shirts, and again we're adding more and more all the time. Now you could actually go in here manually and put in your own phrases yourself. But let's just say, for instance, if you're creating a dog mom shirt, you'll simply put dog mom here, and that's literally the only thing you have to put in here for the AI to generate a title and tag set. So I'll go ahead and hit generate here. And as you can see, within just seconds, we have a winning tag set if we're selling a dog mom shirt. As we can see here, it gives us two title variations. So we have title variation 1 and title variation 2, and it gives us strong tags we can use for our Etsy listing as well. As you can see, we have dog mom shirt, dog mom tee, fur baby tee, pet lover shirt, and so much more. This definitely saves time if you are struggling with creating tags, and number one, you're not sure how to make your titles and tags, and number two, how to get the best titles and tags within a few seconds. And as you can see here with our title variation 1, we have dog mom shirt for pet lover. The AI was so smart that it knew exactly other niche phrases to add into the title as well. And so we have fur baby tee, gift for dog moms. Again, bringing in all of those keywords we need to make sure our product gets seen on Etsy. We have pet parent t-shirt. Again, the only words we gave to AI was dog mom, but it was smart enough to know that this could be great for a pet parent. It could be great for somebody who is a rescue dog mom. It could be great for a funny dog lover shirt. Notice how it's filling in 140 characters, exactly what Etsy told us that our character limit is. And if we do want to make any changes, we can go here and edit some things out. So let's just say if I don't want the last part to be there, I can go ahead and remove that here, save, and that is good to go. I can copy that and be ready to have this for my titles and tags. So I can hit regenerate and it'll create new titles and tags for me here. So there's a lot here that can save us time. Now remember, the goal is to create multiple titles and tags in one session, and that's why I have this new bulk feature here. And this bulk feature allows you to simply upload your design, your actual image, and the smart AI tool will actually analyze your design and actually extract keywords from it to create titles and tags. And so I can simply go to bulk upload, and I'm able to drag and drop all of my designs in here. So I'll drag and drop some recent designs that we made here. And the only thing you gotta do is simply drag and drop them into this space here. And again, this is great to do if you have just a whole folder of designs. You can literally just drag and drop them over, or drag and drop all of your designs, either be 10, 20, 30, or 40. You can simply drag in all of your designs here, and the smart AI will be able to analyze it for you and create titles and tags for all. So as you can see here, we currently have 6 designs uploaded, but again, you were able to upload much more than that. And as you can see here, all of our designs are right inside of this tool. We can see all of our designs. And the only thing I have to do to actually create my titles and tags for these designs is hit generate all, and then the smart AI tool will analyze every design here, and then it will give me a title and tag structure. This is huge because again, I'm not telling the AI that it is a dinosaur Big Brother shirt. I'm not telling the AI it is a fatherhood t-shirt. It's simply identifying all of the text, all of the colors, all of the designs, and then it's going to build out the titles and tags for these designs here. And we see it is finishing up. Again, I see this turning green. That means it is complete. And I see this is now green here. This one's yellow. So that means it's being worked on. But again, this is literally within just a short couple of moments, we're able to have winning titles and tags for our Etsy listing. All right, now everything is done here. All I have to do is scroll down to the bottom, and I have all of my designs here that I uploaded. As you can see, we uploaded a total of 6, and you can see that we have 2 title variations as well as the tag variation here. And all of these are bringing in exactly what the design is. Remember, only thing we did here was just upload our design, but the smart AI tool was able to realize that this is a dinosaur Big Brother shirt for a sibling. Again, it says promoted to Big Brother, and the smart AI tool saw that it was a dinosaur. It saw that it was something related to a big brother, and so it formulated a title set that will be something someone search up. So it says dinosaur Big Brother shirt for sibling announcement. Then it says promoted to Big Brother T. The smart AI tool was able to analyze the text and draft a title from here. And again, it says gift for new brother, but it's smart enough to know exactly who it is for, how it could be used, and all of the text on the design. It says cute dino t-shirt, which is exactly what this is, and family reveal. And if we don't like that title for some reason, we always have title variation 2, which brings in something else. We could actually copy the titles here simply by tapping this little pencil tool to re-engineer our title with AI. So it's going to regenerate again and bring in a different title set. Still looking at our design, as we can see here, now it says dinosaur Big Brother shirt for sibling, Dino Brother T, which is something totally new than what we had before. I can go here and edit any part of my title or my tags here, make some manual changes myself. And again, I can copy the tags. That's all following Etsy rules with tags, where we have 13. And again, this is just one of the 6 designs that we uploaded. We have another one here where it says ain't no hood like fatherhood. And the smart AI tool saw that it was a fatherhood shirt for dad life. It says funny father T. Realized that just the phrase itself is funny. Gift for new dads, fatherhood t-shirt, cool dad shirt. So many good keywords here we can definitely use for our design. And look at the tags here. It says fatherhood shirt, dad life tee, father gift, funny dad tee, new dad shirt. All of these things are high quality keywords because it's all about bringing in exactly what our product is. It's obviously a t-shirt, but being expressive and how we can say that. So t-shirt, t-space shirt, t-dash shirt, bringing in all those different type of terminologies for the product. But it's also bringing in our main category keywords here, like fatherhood, or dad, or funny dad, or dad gift. So all these things are going to be huge when you're trying to upload your designs. And as we can see here, we have endless data for all of the designs that we uploaded. And could you imagine uploading 20 of your designs or 50 of your designs? The smart AI tool is able to analyze all of it for you, so you can simply copy your tags, copy your titles, and start uploading your designs. Again, the reason why I made this is because I know how you're able to win on Etsy is scaling properly and creating your designs as quickly as possible, as high quality as possible, and this tool allows you to do this. So if you do want to get access to my smart SEO tool and all of the other cool tools I have in my membership, simply comment down below the word member, and I'll send you an access code that will give you 7 days absolutely for free to access all these things in my membership, like smart SEO, my niche finder, where I have over 100 niches for all of our major product categories. I have my creative prompt AI tool, which allows you to get amazing design prompts just simply by finding a mock-up image of your design, uploading it into our tool, and the AI tool will give you a very descriptive and creative prompt to use so you can get similar designs. This works for anything you find on Amazon, Etsy, Pinterest, Target, Walmart. If you can get the mock-up image, you can put it right into our prompt AI tool, and it'll give you the exact design prompt you can use. I have a ton of Etsy classes that will walk you step by step of how to scale well on Etsy, as well as our calendar events that we do every single month of top trends, live coaching calls, and just how to get better at selling online with Etsy. Again, you get all of this 7 days absolutely for free just to try out if you do want to be a member. And you also get access to my daily AI prompts that I give every single day, so you know exactly top trending products you should create, as well as the design prompt you should use and keywords to use on your products, so you always stay in the loop in regards to what you should design. So again, if you want to get access to my membership, access all of my AI tools like smart SEO, as well as get all the classes, the live coaching calls, and even one-to-one coaching with me, again, 7 days absolutely for free. You can try this out, cancel anytime. Selling on Etsy does not have to be difficult, but with the right tools and with the right processes, you're able to scale your business well. So make sure you type member down below so you can get access to my membership. And I can't wait to see you inside and see how you take advantage of these amazing AI tools. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I'll see you inside the membership.